Mobile marketing in depth. Good day. Scarecrow here. Today, I will cover mobile marketing in depth. So, let's begin. Mobile marketing is a multifaceted digital marketing strategy aimed at reaching a target audience on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. It's a critical component of modern marketing, given the ubiquity of mobile device usage. Here's an in-depth look. Core concepts. Mobile-first approach, recognizing that mobile devices are often the primary point of contact for consumers. Personalization, leveraging mobile data to deliver highly personalized experiences. Location-based marketing, using GPS and other location technologies to target users based on their real-time location. In-app marketing, reaching users within mobile applications. Mobile-optimized content, ensuring that all marketing materials are designed for optimal viewing and interaction on mobile devices. Key strategies and tactics. Mobile-friendly websites. Responsive design that adapts to various screen sizes. Fast loading speeds. Easy navigation. Touch-friendly interfaces. Mobile apps. Developing dedicated apps for specific purposes, for example, e-commerce, customer service. Providing value through app features and functionality. Utilizing push notifications for timely updates and promotions. SMS/MMS marketing. Sending text messages with promotional offers, reminders, and updates. Ensuring compliance with regulations, for example, opt-in requirements. Using multimedia messages, MMS, for richer content. Location-based marketing. Geofencing, targeting users within specific geographic areas. Geo-targeting, delivering ads based on user location. Proximity marketing, using Bluetooth beacons to send messages to nearby users. In-app advertising. Displaying ads within mobile applications. Utilizing various ad formats, for example, banner ads, interstitial ads, rewarded video ads. Targeting users based on in-app behavior and demographics. Mobile SEO. Optimizing websites for mobile search. Ensuring fast loading speeds on mobile devices. Using mobile-friendly keywords. Optimizing for local search. Mobile video marketing. Creating short, engaging video content optimized for mobile viewing. Utilizing vertical video formats. Leveraging social media platforms for mobile video distribution. QR codes. Using QR codes to link to mobile-optimized landing pages, videos, or promotions. Providing a seamless transition from offline to online experiences. Mobile payments. Integrating mobile payment options, for example, Apple Pay, Google Pay, into e-commerce experiences. Streamlining the checkout process for mobile users. Benefits of mobile marketing. Increased reach, reaching a vast and growing mobile audience. Enhanced personalization, delivering targeted and relevant messages. Improved engagement, fostering interaction and building relationships. Location-based targeting, reaching users at the right place and time. Immediate results, delivering real-time offers and promotions. Data-driven insights, tracking and analyzing mobile marketing performance. Challenges. Screen size variations, adapting content to diverse screen sizes. Privacy concerns, addressing user privacy and data security. Ad blocking, overcoming ad blocking technologies. App fatigue, encouraging users to download and use mobile apps. Tracking and attribution, accurately measuring the impact of mobile marketing campaigns. Key trends. 5G technology, enabling faster data speeds and improved mobile experiences. Augmented reality, are integrating AR into mobile marketing campaigns. Voice search optimization, optimizing content for voice search on mobile devices. Mobile commerce, m-commerce, increasing mobile shopping and payment transactions. AI and machine learning, using AI to personalize mobile marketing and improve campaign performance. Mobile marketing is an evolving field that requires businesses to stay adaptable and informed. Now, if you like the topic, give a like or comment or hit the subscribe bell for more.